Julio, here at Oso, you concentrate mainly on small businesses. What does that mean?
Well, we focus on small businesses, just like you said.
Okay.
We have clientele that go from a startup with doing just a couple of $1,000s a year, all the way to $2-3 million a year.
Okay.
We really try to keep our business focus in the small business.
Okay.
We have many startups, sorry.
Many startups. Now, if I want to start a business, how do I do that?
You come here.
That's right, I do.
It's very simple. You just have the idea, you know what you want to do. You will come in, we will talk about the different options for the tax side. We are not an attorney, so we will go basically with the taxation side for your business.
Okay.
And we will help you to get set up from the registration with the state. And if you need some help with the city, we also will do that.
Okay. So that's something that I necessarily wouldn't have thought about, and I'm sure other people wouldn't. Just that first thing, registration with the state.
Right.
People just don't know, but you do. You guys have the information. Setting up perhaps payroll, how would you do that?
Well, payroll is one of the main things because usually you can go and we have online payroll, we have in-house, we have full service payroll. But if you are starting your business or if you are focusing your business, normally if you use some program, Tax Act, TurboTax, or
something online, basically.
Online,
yeah, that's not necessarily.
Well, we have the online service as well, okay. But it demands your time. And then you have quarterlies where you need to go and file your taxes and do all those other fun stuff.
Right.
And then if you have a letter from the IRS because whatever reason with your employee or garnishment or something like that, right. Well, we are there to help you and set it up. The range that we have set it up from self-employed all the way to a normal-sized company.
Okay. And so I think what we're saying here, that you can also do all the bookkeeping for people as well,
yeah.
Which is huge.
Right.
Huge. And what I think we're saying here is that if you're starting up your own business, you don't necessarily have time to deal with state, local, city things, payroll, business, bookkeeping. These are things that you're going to save time on when you come in here and see Julio at Oso. Is that correct?
That's absolutely correct. When you start your business, well, do your business.
Right.
The thing is, most of the people, when they start the business, they say, okay, I'm going to save some money, I'm going to do this by myself. Right. And you can, but just like somebody said, there is highly inconvenient. You can change your oil in your car.
Right.
You just need to go and buy the oil,
yeah.
Change clothes,
yeah.
Lift it out the car, take the risk, take the oil, then run and drop the oil in some place to properly dispose as oil. Well, this one is about similar. We do the stuff we do every day. We deal with this every single day of the week, every single day of the year, and we make it simpler for you.
Yeah. And that's what it boils down to too, because if you're starting your own business, certainly you don't want to spend every waking minute dealing with all these things, the setting up, the payroll, the bookkeeping. If you can have somebody else do it who actually knows what they're doing, which is you guys, right, that's got to be a huge plus.
Well, here in Oso, we have several clients that they are starting their business or they have a small business, and we always try to go one step forward in the relationship with our client. Okay. There are always marketing issues, selling issues, and we try to work with each client that it is there. It's dealing in the way of, well, is my business going to be successful or is it going to stop?
Yeah. So if you do need to start up a business, or if you have a business already, you spend the time doing what you do well. Let these guys do what they do superbly well for you, which is help you with your business startup, do your payroll, do your bookkeeping, your accounting. Let somebody who really knows what they're doing do it, right? And that's you.
That sounds amazingly good.
That's exactly right?
That's the best advice that you can give.
Okay, so if you do need some help, come on down here and see Julio at Oso, and he will be more than happy to help, right?
Yep, absolutely.
Thanks,
thank you.